This was a great floor plan. I'm glad that they came out with this. It's all new by Wildwood. You know, the normal that they come up with: electric jacks, electric tongue jack, big slide out. Those are the things that are the norm with Forest River, California on the Wildwood, Evo, or Salem product. But this has that big outdoor door that you can slide stuff into. When you look inside, you'll see that you can store a bunch of stuff in there, like your barbecues and stuff like that. And then you got your power awning, your outside little kitchen. Just remember that that refrigerator only runs when you're plugged in. Has a little gas grill, outside shower, and then pass-through storage. No, my tripod does not come with it. So I'll just look in and tell you that it does have electric stabilizers. And as we go inside the coach, you have that L-shaped couch that they're getting famous for right now, along with a U-shaped dinette. And as we go in, the back bedroom area has a lot of space. Little wardrobe closet, has a little couch. You can probably sleep 4 to 5 kids back there. It has a door that separates it, so it's like a barn door. And then you have a big pantry, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. And then your standard 3-burner stove and oven, microwave. As you can tell, I'm getting better with these videos as far as I'm opening up everything before I even go inside the unit, so you don't get a bunch of Blair Witch. But you can tell there's a lot of interior storage for a 29-footer, and then you still get the fireplace, the sound bar, and a place to put your TV where you don't have to turn your neck. The bathroom is humongous. It has good chicken wing space on the toilet, and then a glass shower door with a skylight to give those folks that are a lot taller than me some space in the shower. And as I swing around into the bedroom, it's going to be a walk-around queen bed with wardrobes on each side, and then you have storage above the bed for those, well, we'll call them linens. There's also storage under the bed that I do not show you in this video because I've noticed that it gets really shaky when I do that. But on the other side, you have another closet area to store clothes, you know, t-shirts, shorts. So you have a lot of clothing options as far as your storage space. You have just a beautiful floor plan. And if you want to see another travel trailer like this, another Wildwood, just look in the top right-hand corner of your screen.